Hello there, lovely people. Okay, so recently or these past few years, madalas kong marinig yung salitang manifestation sa ating mga Filipino. That's when every time we talk about our deepest desires or yung mga pangarap natin sa buhay. And this is how we say it pa nga eh. Nagayahin ko lang ha. Manifesting. Yan. Tapos yung old way, yung claim it, i-claim mo na yan. Yan. That's how we express ourselves every time we talk about our deepest desires. And in this video, we will talk about manifestation. Gaano ba ito katotoo? How does it work? And we will talk about manifestation under the universal law. Because manifestation, meron siyang three different ways of explaining it. Yung isa yung under the universal law, yung isa neuroscience way, and yung isa naman is spiritual way. So there are three ways. And in this video, pag-uusapan muna natin yung manifesting through the universal law or the law of life. Yan. But before we dive into the topic, let me introduce myself first. I am Lovely Liz, and you're watching Let's Make Room for Positivity. Welcome, 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 lovely people. Okay, excited ako. Finally, I am starting this. And siya nga pala, if you are in this video right now, you're not here by accident. You're here because you are meant to find this content or this video. You are meant to know the truth. I meditated before filming, and I am attracting people who are aligned to this content. But if you're here right now and you feel that you're not yet ready for any changes, you're not yet open to other possibilities, it's fine, you're free to skip. Kasi free ka din namang bumalik kapag ready ka na. Ano nga ba yung mga gusto natin sa buhay? Ano nga ba? Of course, we all want to live an abundant and prosperous life. We all want to have a successful career. To be with someone feeling natin deserve tayo. And be with that person for the rest of our lives. To have a family with that person. Yan. Yung dream partner. Tapos, isa rin sa dream natin, mabili natin yung dream car, ano pa, yung dream house, to travel to different beautiful destinations in and outside the country, tapos, mag-shopping. Mag-shopping nang hindi nag-aalala because you know that you have more than enough to spend. Yung hindi ka rin natatakot makita yung bills mo every month because you know na you have more than enough para magbayad ng bills. So in other words, financial freedom. And when you have financial freedom, you have peace. And if you have peace, you're happy. So yun talaga yung gusto natin, maging happy. So, eto na yun. And the truth is, the tool to manifestation is within you. It's the feeling inside your heart and the power of your mind. Yun. Yung dalawang yun, pag nagtagpo, nag-connect, nag-match, nag-vibrate, boom. Manifestation of your desires. Dreams coming to fruition. Yun yung magandang result nun kapag nag-match yung dalawang yun. So, paano naman nangyari yun? Because we are born manifestors. It's in our DNA ever since we were born. Actually, we were born powerful human beings. However, we forget about it because of the programming that we have. Ano naman yung programming na yun? We were programmed to think limitedly. Diba? Nasanay na tayo na nililimitahan lang natin yung sarili natin, yung mga kakayahan natin. So, This happened actually years and years and years ago na hindi na mabilang na taon. Yung mga taong nakakaalam ng katotohanan, they took advantage of it para sila lang yung maging makapangyarihan at magtamasa ng kasaganaan. So, alam nila yung totoong batas ng buhay, yung totoong proseso. So, while others struggle at naging taga-sunod lang. So, nagpasalin-salin na yun na up to the present, naging ganun na yung programming natin sa mindset natin. Okay. And that's another story. I think I'll make another video for that para mas mapag-usapan natin. Okay. So, as I've mentioned, we are born manifestors. So, every day, we manifest. In case you don't know, every day we manifest. We manifest through affirmations. Yung mga salitang binibitawan natin, yung mga tumatakbo sa isip natin sa maghapon, yan yung affirmation natin. At kung ano yung iniisip, sinasabi natin na pinaniniwalaan ng puso natin, yan yung namamanifest natin, yan yung na-attract natin sa buhay natin, sa araw-araw. So, tayo ay mas sanay mag-isip ng negatibo. Mas lamang sa atin yung negative thoughts, yung overthinking, stressing ourselves, yan, mas sanay tayo dyan. Tapos, mas ninanamnam natin yung mga negative emotions na hindi tayo aware, dinadala tayo sa low vibration. Na kapag nasa low vibration tayo, it'll be hard for us to manifest the things that we really desire. Siyempre, yung mga desires natin, positibo yan eh. Mga positibong bagay yan. So, we have to be in that vibration in order to attract those things that we really want, that we really desire. Kaso nga lang, mas may tayong namnamin yung mga negatibong emosyon. Kaya naman, yung mga nangyayari sa buhay natin, negatibo. So, how does manifestation work nga ba talaga? So, let me explain this one. We are all spiritual energy. We are spirits inside this temple, our body. Yan. And all the things around us are also energy. So, when we say energy, energy expands, energy flows. So, what we focus on expands. Yan. Tapos, our life is also about frequency and vibration. Very science. We attract. Ito, alam ko narinig nyo na to. You attract who you are, not what you want. And that's law of attraction. Galing yan sa law of attraction, which is one of the universal laws. Yung law of the universe. So, yung law of the universe na yan, or universal law, marami yan. I believe it's 12. And some of them are law of attraction, law of assumption, law of vibration, law of karma. So, pinaka-familiar tayo sa law of karma. Alam natin kung paano nag-work. So, I'll make a separate video na lang about different universal laws para mas ma-explain ko pa sa inyo. Okay? So, ito yun eh. Other explanation to this, if you think less, you get less. If you think abundantly, you will attract more abundance in your life. Ganon. Ito yun, isa pa to. Di ba pag wala tayong pera, what you feel is fear. Di ba? Or yung scarcity, yung feeling na kapos. So, how will you attract money kung feeling mo kapos ka? Of course, to be able to attract money, you have to feel abundant. You have to enter that money frequency. Pero challenge, kasi nga, pagbukas mo ng wallet mo, walang laman. So, how you feel abundant? Diba? So, yan yung challenge na kailangan nating baguhin or i-reprogram. huwag kayong mag-alala kasi there are so many ways to feel abundant even if you have less. At isa yan sa mga magiging content natin or topics natin sa mga susunod pang mga araw. Step by step, i-reprogram natin yung mindset na meron tayo, yung pag-iisip na meron tayo, para sa ganon, makamit natin yung buhay na talagang gusto natin. Okay. Ito yun eh. Another example, kapag bad trip ka, yung mainit ulo mo, diba, parang ang daming chaos pa yung na-attract mo. Ang daming dumarating na feeling mo pinagbaksakan ka na ng langit at lupa. Yung feeling mo ang malas mo kasi sa sobrang bad trip mo, nag-attract ka pa ng maraming problema. Tapos kapag masaya ka naman, yung feeling inspired ka, dating ng dating yung mga blessings, you feel so lucky. So, hindi tayo aware, yung happiness na meron tayo, yung inspiration na meron tayo, nag-a-attract pala siya ng maraming blessings sa buhay natin. So, yan yung other explanation to that. Okay. At ito pa, there's one more thing na pinaniwala sa atin. Ito yung we have to struggle first to have abundance. Now, we have to work hard first to earn a lot of money. Pero hindi pala siya ganun. This is only applicable sa mga mechanical manifestors. Yung mga mechanical manifestors, if they work overtime, if they work hard, they can earn 5 to 6 digit or more. But unfortunately, a lot of us, hindi mechanical manifestor. We only live in a survival mode. Ano ba yung survival mode na yan? Yan yung trabaho, bayad bills, bayad utang, trabaho ulit, bayad bills, hindi na makabayad ng utang kasi kulang. Tapos yung daily expenses, yung daily needs, you're just doing everything to make ends meet. At pag nandun ka sa ganong sitwasyon, di ba, hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. Which means, nasa low vibration ka. So, yan yung isa sa mga kailangan nating i-reprogram. Aralin natin. Kaya kailangan nating aralin paano mag-attract ng positive things into our lives. At yan yung mga unti-unti nating gagawin sa mga susunod pang videos. Reprogramming of our mindset to attract positive things or only good things in our lives. Kasi sa totoo lang, our God, our divine source, our creator, the higher power, whatever you want to call our God. Kasi nga, this is for everyone. You can be in any religion and do these things and do these practices. Okay? So, ang gusto kasi ni God sa atin, God made sure that there's enough abundance for everyone. There's enough wealth for everyone. But we have to tap in that energy. We have to enter that frequency so that we can achieve the life that we truly desire. So, kung nakarating ka sa puntong ito ng video, maraming salamat. And if you feel that this content is for you, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can receive an update once na meron tayong bagong upload na video. And paki-like na rin po para makarating siya sa iba na kailangan ding malaman itong mga bagay na to. This is just the beginning of a positive change. So sana magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na video. Again, this is Lovely Liz. I am sending you love and light. Bye for now.